Hey, it's Erin from the Gloom Finery, and I just wanted to create a video to let you know how to put your claws into your gloves and stuff like that. So when you get your gloves, you'll have the vinyl gloves made to fit and 4 claws. So there is 1 small claw and 3 of the larger claws, and the small one's for the pinky. And I like to put this one in last because it's the only one that might fall out if your fingers aren't behind it. So to put the claws in, you push the fingers out like this and you just slide them in through this front hole and then just curve them up and then jam them against this rivet here, and that should hold. So and put the gloves on, I find the best way is to sit them upside down, slide your fingers in through the finger holes and then your thumb through there, and then just kind of wriggle them on. It should be a tight fit. They don't work too well if they're too loose. And then once that's in nice and tight, you just grab the strap and snap it, and it should hold it in place. I'd say before you use them to scratch anyone, I would definitely just push them down against the fingers. As soon as pressure is applied to them, they'll do that, but it'll give you a bit of a jerky movement, which isn't great. So to take them off, the best way is just to pull these out so you don't have to worry about them falling, and then just unclip it. I'm going to work them off your fingers, and then you should just pull off. So I've provided them on a foam stand which they sit on, but if you want to display them with the claws in them, then they're kind of front heavy, so it wants to fall over, but you can just put a rock or something heavy in the hole in the back, and then that acts as a counterbalance, so you can just leave them on that for storage. Taking the claws out, if you want to, I like to just grab them and push them up through the hole and then just pull them out. So the clear vinyl, it can get a bit cloudy. It's just the oils kind of sweat from your hands. And you can kind of just remove it with like rubbing a cloth up against it. I used to use my sleeve, but I find what works best is a microfiber cloth, with this texture, and then you see how this is quite cloudy, and then if you just rub it with the cloth, and it becomes much more translucent again. So yeah, that's it for this video, I think. Thanks for buying. I hope you enjoy them. I do.